Omicron cases are on the rise across the UK, prompting fears about tighter restrictions on social contact over Christmas and New Year. In a press conference today, Prime Minister Boris Johnson did not enforce tougher rules on contact, but continued to urge all eligible Brits to get their booster vaccine. How effective is the Pfizer vaccine against Omicron? Based on what we know so far, today a further 4,671 cases of Omicron were reported in the UK, bringing the total of Omicron cases up to 10,017. Omicron is spreading rapidly. In London, it is thought Omicron represents 60% of all coronavirus cases. Feared to be more transmissible than the other variants of coronavirus we've seen so far, Omicron cases are doubling in fewer than 3 days. A record number of coronavirus cases were reported today in the UK, with 78,610 cases. But vaccine protection means the country is in a different position compared to last Christmas when it comes to fighting Omicron. The government is urging every eligible adult in the UK to get their booster jab, if they haven't already, as this is thought to offer the best protection against becoming ill with Omicron symptoms. The first case of Omicron in the UK was confirmed as recently as November 27, so the data available on the variant is still in its early stages and could change as we learn more. The UK Health Security Agency, UKSA, has produced data on the efficacy of different vaccines and booster jabs against Omicron, though it adds the data should be interpreted with caution due to its infancy. According to the UKSA, 2 jabs of Pfizer offered around 30 to 40% effective protection against a symptomatic infection of Omicron. The UKSA report added, vaccine effectiveness against severe disease from Omicron is not yet known but is expected to be significantly higher than protection against symptomatic disease. Data on this won't be available for several weeks. How effective is the Pfizer booster if you've already had Pfizer? If you've already had 2 doses of Pfizer, a 3rd dose of Pfizer should give you 75% vaccine effectiveness against symptomatic illness with the Omicron variant, according to the UKSA data. How effective is the Pfizer booster after AstraZeneca? If you had 2 doses of the AstraZeneca vaccine, you will be offered a booster of Pfizer or Moderna. A dose of Pfizer after 2 doses of AstraZeneca should offer 70% effectiveness against symptomatic infection from Omicron. How effective is the Pfizer booster after Moderna? There isn't yet data on how Pfizer and Moderna interact against Omicron when Pfizer is used as a booster after 2 doses of Moderna. According to the Joint Committee on Vaccination and Immunization, the 2 vaccines are offered with equal preference. Will a new vaccine be developed to target the Omicron variant? William Cooper, director of healthcare insurance firm William Russell Europe, said, "It depends on how severely the Omicron variant affects people. If the effects are mild, it's unlikely that pharmaceutical companies will invest resources in developing a specific Omicron vaccine. They're more likely to change their guidance on the original vaccines or recommend a booster vaccine."